Is the Microsoft Store giving you the digital blues? Let's troubleshoot and get it working again. First, let's start with the simplest solution. Restart the Microsoft Store app. Just close the window completely and then relaunch the Microsoft Store. If that doesn't work, let's move on. Next, we'll try clearing the cache and data. Head to your Windows settings by pressing the Windows key +I in settings. Click on Apps, then Apps and Features. Now, search for Microsoft Store in the app list. Once you find it, click the 3 dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click on Repair to attempt a quick fix. If the store is still not working, click the Reset button. Keep in mind that this will delete the app's data. But don't worry, your installed apps won't be affected. Finally, let's check for Microsoft Store updates. Go back to the Windows settings, then click on Windows Update. In the left-hand menu, now click Check for Updates to make sure you're running the latest version of the Microsoft Store. And that's it. With these steps, the Microsoft Store should be back in business, letting you download and update your favorite apps with ease.